Welcome to today's video. You might think getting rich while working a 9-to-5 job is impossible. But what if I told you it's not only possible, it's easier than you think? Inspired by the principles of the legendary investor Warren Buffett, we're breaking down 6 golden steps you can take right now to build lasting wealth while staying employed. 1. Master the art of saving. Warren Buffett famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." And if you want to control your money, the first step is to get rich. Here's how. Pay yourself. First, when you receive your paycheck, put aside at least 20% for savings or investments before any other payments. Treat this as non-negotiable. Automatic saving. Use automatic transfers to an investment or savings account. That way, the cash won't even impact you. Cut unnecessary expenses. Track your spending for a month and identify what's draining your wallet. Those daily lattes, unused subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Small, consistent savings grow exponentially over time thanks to the power of compound interest, a concept Warren Buffett loves. 2. Invest wisely. Make your money work for you is the second golden step. Buffett is a huge proponent of long-term investing, and you can do the same. Start early. The earlier you kickstart your investing journey, the more time you will have to benefit from your money working for you. Even small amounts add up. Index funds are your friend. Buffett often recommends low-cost index funds for beginners because they're diversified and require minimal effort. Reinvest dividends. Instead of cashing out your dividends, reinvest them to accelerate your portfolio's growth. Don't make emotional decisions. Markets are up and down. Don't freak out when prices fall. Look at it as an opportunity to buy more. And the truth is that when it comes to building wealth via investing, it's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. 3. Increase your income. You cannot earn a higher value when you depend upon a single source of income. To become rich, it is essential to maximize your earning potential. Enhance your skills. Invest in courses, certifications, or training that make you more valuable in your field. Negotiate your salary. Don't be shy when it comes to asking for a raise or promotion. Be ready with proof of your accomplishments and industry salary data. Side hustles. Use your time to create more income. From freelancing to selling products or creating any sort of content, it's never been easier to monetize what you can do. Tired of trading time for money? Consider rental properties, syndications, dividend-paying stocks, or writing a book that pays you royalties. Buffett didn't start as a billionaire. He built wealth step by continuously increasing his earning power. 4. Avoid debt. Like the plague. Warren Buffett's golden rule about debt is simple. Stay away from it. Here's why. Good versus bad debt. While some debts, like a mortgage, can be considered good, credit card debt is toxic due to high interest rates. Pay off high-interest debt. First, use the snowball or avalanche method to eliminate debt quickly. Live below your means. Don't upgrade your lifestyle every time you get a raise. 5. Develop a wealth mindset. Getting rich is as much about mindset as it is about money. Warren Buffett believes that patience, discipline, and long-term thinking are key. Halo effect. Avoid basing your decisions on a tiny subset of data. Consistency beats intensity. Read a lot. Buffett spends hours reading each day. Your most valuable asset is knowledge. Spend time with the right people. Network. Success is contagious. Keep humble and grateful. Real wealth is not merely monetary. It's about leading a meaningful and fulfilled life. 6. Continuously upgrade your skills. Investing in yourself. The 6th step. Your skills are your biggest asset, and the more you develop them, the more money you can make. Here's how. Use the professional development programs provided by your employer. Enroll in career-enriching courses, certifications, or workshops. Be inquisitive and keep reading books about finance, self-improvement, and your field. This is why Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. He understands that knowledge stacks. If you keep learning, you'll be made indispensable in the workplace and find yourself open to better-paying positions. That's how you get rich while having a job, courtesy of good old Warren Buffett. Keep in mind that the road to getting rich isn't paved with overnight accomplishments. It's about repeated, deliberate behaviors over time. So, which step do you begin taking today? Do let me know in the comments. And if you found this message helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear it. Until next time, focus, discipline, and build that wealth.